Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jo from Boho Jo's Decor. Thanks for joining us in part 1 of Macrame for Beginners. Today I'm going to teach you about the 4 basic macrame knots you'll use in pretty much all of your macrame work. First is the Larks head knot. Take your doubled up cord and loop it over the rod from front to back. Then pull the remainder of the 2 cords through the loop and tighten your knot. This is the knot you'll use to attach your cord to your rod before you begin your work. Number 2 is the half-hitch knot. Basically, you're tying a knot around your filler cord with your working cord. You can create a pattern with this knot by simply continuing it all the way down. As you continue, you'll notice that the pattern begins to twist. Number 3 is the double half-hitch knot. As the name suggests, it's basically 2 half-hitch knots. Simply use your working cord to tie a knot around your filler cord and then do that again. When creating a pattern, hold your filler cord in the direction that you want your pattern to go and use your working cords to tie double half-hitch knots. You can use these knots to make a whole range of different patterns, which we will be talking about in upcoming videos. And number 4 is the square knot. Take the 2 outside cords and starting on either the left or the right, fold one cord across the front of your filler cords. Then take the second cord over the front of the first cord, around the back and through the loop. Then pull the 2 cords tight. You're going to repeat this pattern on the opposite side, and this will form your square knot. Again, we're going to use this knot in future videos to create some beautiful patterns. Thank you for joining me in part 1 of Macrame for Beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified when another video comes out. See you next time.